Welcome everyone. Showing on our screen is a $50 welcome bonus, which I'm very sure you'll be able to claim if you follow every steps I'll be showing in this video. And if by chance you're just seeing my video for the very first time, don't forget to like and subscribe, because right here you're in this channel where you make money with Danielite. So without wasting time, I'll be dropping the link to get the bonus in the description and also in the comment section to make things easy for everyone. So we proceed. And so you can see showing on the screen. Once you click on the link, it brings you to this place where you put in your details. You make sure you put in your details correctly without any error. So once you're done putting the details, you click on this client agreement, this box representing client agreement, and also click on continue. And once you're done, it sends a message to your Gmail immediately. It sends a code to your Gmail. So from there, you head straight to your Gmail to fetch the code and come back here to paste it. So once you paste it, you also click on continue here. In this place, you click on continue, and then you'll be logged in, and also your Gmail would be verified. Once that is done, the next step for you to do is to verify your account. So you click on upload, where you have to upload your document, and make sure you fill in every required aspect you need to fill. So from there, once you're done filling this aspect, you upload the document of your ID. Make sure it is clearly seen for them to be able to verify you. So once you're done with that, you click on upload. So once you've uploaded the document, the next part is for you to open a Forex account with them. So you click on open live account, then it brings you here which shows type, and you see welcome bonus. So you click on welcome bonus. Once you click on it, it brings the leverage and the currency automatically by itself. You click on continue. Once you click on continue, it creates an account for you. So your login details and every details will be sent to you, be sent to your Gmail also. It will be showing, it will pop up on your screen. You can see account has been created successfully. So your login details, everything you need will be shown on your screen. So once that is done, you can just head straight to your MT5 or MT4 to fill in details and then log in. And once you're done logging, you're ready to trade. But don't forget, this is a welcome bonus, so you need to kickstart it with a $50 deposit for you to be able to proceed. And also don't forget to make sure you get verified, so in order to make your withdrawal and also deposit easy and quick, kindly click on the subscription button so that you can always get notified anytime I drop any new deposit bonus and also Forex videos. Thank you guys.